So now I'm explaining you about the variables, one variable, two variable, three variable, four variable K maps, how it is represented. Okay, before starting, I will explain you about one variable K map, one variable, and then I will explain you about two variable K map. Generally, one variable, two variable K maps are not even asked in examination, but to know the simplicity of this representation, I will explain you about one variable and two variables K map. So, to represent K map, we require number of cells. So, how many cells are there for one variable or two variables, that I will explain you. So, one variable K map, we require a single variable, and each variable or a single variable, that is, let us say one example A I am having a variable. So, for a variable, we require two number of states, that is, one is A bar state. Okay, so state of this is A bar or A. So, two states are there for two variables, A bar or A. That means we require two cells, and that cells I am representing here as first step is by A bar. This is my A bar cell I am representing, and this is my A cell. So, one variable representation of K map requires two cells. One is two cells, or you can say two states it is having. So, A bar and A, these are the two states. Two variable K maps. Two variable K maps means how many cells we require? For one variable we require two cells. How it has been calculated? 2 raised to 1. So, two cells. 2 raised to 1 means two cells. One is A bar cell and one is A cells. A bar means in terms of min terms, we are representing it as 0 and 1. So A bar is your 1 and your A is A bar is your 0 and A is represented as 1. Okay. So for two variables, we require 2 raised to 2 cells, that is equals to 4 cells. 4 cells. Okay. So this is my 4 cells K map. Okay. How many states are there? 4 states or 4 variables are there. 4 cells means 4 states are there. What are those sets? If two variables are there, so A bar dot B bar, this is one state. Okay. Then A bar dot B, then A dot B bar, and then A B. 4 states are there. Fine. So in terms of binary numbers, if you want to represent, so A bar, so we have 0 0, then 0 1, 1 0, and then 1 1. These are the states, and which I have represented in terms of your mean terms or the product terms I have represented. Okay. So four states are required, or 4 cells are there. So in each state, okay. So here I am making one line. Okay. So two variables means this way I am representing my A, and this side I am representing my B. So to differentiate this, I have made one line. Okay. Now A has how many states? Two states. Okay. So A has all two states, either 0, 1. B has also two states, 0 or 1. Or you can say A bar or A. Okay. Or for B, it should B bar or B. Any of the case. Okay. So this number is actually in terms of, if I wanted to write in terms of binary numbers, so I will write this is 0, this is 0, so 0 0. Then this is 0 and this is 1, so 0 1. This is 1, this is 0 means 1 0. This is 1, this is 1 means 1 1. Fine. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In terms of variable form, how will it be presented? In terms of variable form, I will represent it as A bar dot B bar. I am writing it in short. Okay. Then A bar dot B. Then this is A dot B, and the one is A dot B. Sorry, this is not A dot B. This is A dot B bar. Okay. If we look at the decimal value of this is my 0, 1, 2 and 3. Decimal value. So whenever you are going for simplification, you don't require to write everything. Okay. If you know only the truth table, okay. So basically based on the truth table, you can write its value. So I am writing in this corner. Very short number I am writing only to understand the cell number. Okay. So 0, 0, 0 represent this is my 0. Then 0 1 represent this is my 1, 1 0 is my 2, and this is my 3. So next time whenever any question has been asked and they have given some truth table, okay, so based on truth table what I will write? This is my four variable key map, and I know that this is 0, 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so in case of this, okay, if any function is there, just I will explain you. Any function is there and whose value is 0, 0, 0, and 1 is there. Okay, so this function has been given this truth table, and I have to represent it in terms of mean terms. So what I have to do is, in mean terms, I have to consider the variable whose output or whose value at function gives the output as 1. So 1 at what decimal number it gives? It gives at 3. So I will just write it here 1. Okay, and then I have to minimize this key map. So I will write 0, 1, 0, 1. And now the minimization. This is just the representation I have given. How to minimize? There are some different rules are there, and that rule I will explain you when we will learn about the minimization techniques. Okay, minimization of K-map. This is just representation of truth table onto the K-map. I am explaining. This is just representation of truth table onto the K-map, and how these two variable and one variable and two variables K-map has been represented. That I have shown you. Now I will explain you about three variables K-map. Okay, just write it down on your notebook. I will explain you about three variable K-map. Just pause this video and then you just have to write it down. Three variable K-map. Three variable K-maps means how many cells we require? Cells, number of cells? Number of cells. How many? 2 raised to 3. That is 8 cells. Okay. I will make it here as large. Okay. And there is one another possibility to represent this three variable K-map. Now this is in horizontal way. I will. Now this is in vertical format. Okay. So three variables. Three variables. This is my A, B, C. Now here I can write A, B as this four state, and then C variable. Third variable I will write it in this fashion. Now A has two state 0 and then A has two state 0 and 1. These two variables has two state, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember here 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, so these are the my two states. I will write it here. You have to remember that this is my 0, 0, 0, 1 and this is my 1, 1 and 1, 0. By default, some students make mistakes. Directly they will write this is 0, 1 and this is 2. So they will write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and then 1, 1. Okay. How this is actually done? Okay. So listen here. There are this K map has been changed from only one state. Okay. So 0, 0. So 0, 0 is there. Here 0, 1 is there. So only one state change is there. Only one state change is there, either in the normal form, general form, or in the complementary form. Only one state change is occurred. Now here 0, 1, you can see 0, 1 is there, here 1, 1 is there. So only one change is there from this variable to this variable. Only one state change is there. If it is like, if it is in general case 0, 0, if by mistake somebody has written that this is my 0, 1, 0, 1 and then this I have to write 1, 0. So what is happened? Here two states changes are there. So 0 it changes to 1 and this 1 it changes to 0. So two states are changing. So this is wrong. Okay. So that's why it is 1, 1 has been written here. Okay. Understood this? Why this 1, 1 has came in term instead of 1, 0? So you have to understand this. Now in earlier two variables I explain you how It has to be right. I will again explain you. 0 0 0 0 0 0 means 0. 0 0 1 0 0 1 means 1. 0 1 1. What is that? 0 1 1. This is 3. 0 1 0 0 1 0. See, this is my 0. This is 1 0 0 1 0. What is this? This is 2. Okay. This is my 1 0 0 1 0 0. What is this? This is 4. 1 0 1 1 0 1. What is this? This is 5. Then 1 1 1. What is this? This is 7. Then this is my 1 and this is 1 0 1 0. What is this? This is 6. Understood this? If you understood this, it is very good. Otherwise you can just memorize it. 0 1 then 2 3 4 5 6 7. In terms of variable form, okay, so this is my a bar and this is my a. This is 0 0 is there, so b bar c bar is there. 0 1, so b bar c. 1 1 means b c, and this is 1 0 means b c bar. This is in horizontal way I have written. Okay, just remember the sequence a b c whenever you are writing any truth table. If it is in this fashion, then you have to write it in BABC form, because the numbers are changes in accordingly. If someone has written it is in terms of CBA, okay, in this fashion, so the numbers are changing. Okay, so remember the sequence, and based upon your sequence, you have to write this A, B, C, this variable, so that this everything will be in a steady condition, or it is in correct form. Otherwise, what will happen? The sequence is different. You are solving this in terms of different variable sequence. So answer will be wrong, and everything will be everything will be wrong. Okay. So now how this is to be written in terms of this vertical format. So AB two variables 0 0 0 1, two state changes. Okay, 1 1 and 1 0. Single state change. Okay, it's not two state. Single state change. Two variables are there, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 0. Here 0 and 1. In terms of variable, if I wanted to write, I can write it like this way also. A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, and then A B bar here, C bar and C. Now you can see A B C 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, 0 1 0 0 1 0. What is that value? 0 1 0. This is two value. Fine. Then 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is that value? 3. Now here state change is there. Okay, so remember this 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. What is that? 1 2 4 4 plus 2 6. So this is 6. 1 1 1 1 1 1. What is this? 7. 1 0 0 4 1 2 4 4. Then this is 1 0 1. What is this? 1 0 1 5. So 0. Now I am removing this here. Okay. This is just to make yourself understand. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 and here 6 7. Have you understood this? Now if in terms of variables, if I wanted to explain this, so I will write for this cell. For this cell value is A bar, B bar and then C bar. A bar, B bar and then C bar. Here A bar, B bar and this is my C. Here A bar, B is there. A bar, B and this is C bar. Here A bar, B and this is C. Here A, B is there and this is C bar. A, B, and this is C. This is A, B bar, and this is C bar. This is A, B bar, and this is C. Okay, so any expression, if in terms of SOP form is there, that is SOP. Why SOP? Because dot products are there. SOP form. Okay, so this is in terms of product form. So you can identify that those functions who are giving one value. Let us say one example is there. Okay, so that is f of a comma b comma c. F of a comma b comma c, and it is giving you a summation m. I will take only a few values. 1, 3 on 7. 137. 137. Okay, that means for 1, 3 and 7 the output is 1. For this is in terms of mean term. Summation m is there. So mean term 137, that means for this particular 137 the output is 1. Okay, so what are those? I will write it here. Okay, what are those? So if I wanted to minimize this expression, I will put 1 on these particular values 137. So cell number 1 I will put 1, for 3 I will put 1, and for 7 I will put 1. Now with the help of some rules are there to minimize this, that I will explain after this representation of 4 variable K-map. Okay, so just to understand this, to mean this is one example has been given in terms of mean term, and 1 1 1, these three values has been given. And how it represented? This is represented as we have to put 1 on each cell. Another example, if I wanted to tell you, let us take another example. Yes, A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B, C plus A, B, C. A bar, A, B bar, C. These three have three. So now see here, A bar, B bar, C bar is there. Okay, and this is in terms of sum of product form. These are the product and their sum of product form. So this is in SOP form. This is in SOP form. Now we have to represent this function and then minimize that function. Okay, with the help of K-map. So just I will explain you about the representation or putting the values on K-map. So A bar, B bar, C bar. For this particular set I am putting 1. So this is my A bar, this is B bar, C bar. So this is 1. Next one is A bar, B, C. Now see, here A bar is there and then B, C is there. So here 1. Then third is A, B bar, C. This is my A. Okay, this way, this row A, and then next B bar C. So this is B bar C. Okay. So 1 1 I just kept all this 1 1 where the function is in SOP form. So kept 1 on each cell. Now minimization comes, and that will I will explain you after this 4 variable K maps and 5 variable K map representation on K map. Okay. So now let us go for 4 variables. 4 variable K maps. Representation of 4 variable K maps. Okay. Four variable representation. So how many cells are there for 4 variables? 4 variables. How many cells are there? 2 raised to 4 cells. That is equals to 16. How many cells? 2 raised to 4 cells. That is 16. So here one line. This is my A, B, C, D. So 4 variables are A, B, C, D. Just I have given. Okay, A, B, C, D. So for A, B, you can either write numbers form or you can write in terms of variables. Okay. So I will write it in terms of numbers as well as this variable. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 0. Then this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Remember this is 1, 1. Okay. Remember this is 1, 1. Many student mistake on this cell. Okay. So 0, 0. I will write it in terms of A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, and then AB bar. Here A bar, B bar, A bar, sorry, not A bar, B bar. This is CD variable, okay, sorry. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, then C, D, C, D bar. Now, if you know the truth tables of 4 variables, okay, so 4 variable truth tables are there, A, B, C, D variables are there. From 0, 0, 0, so decimal number 0, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, dash, 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 up to, it will goes to 15, the last number is 1, 1, 1, 1. So 4 variables are 1. So you can see 0, 0, 0, 0. So if you know, you can simply write down the cell number, that is 0. Okay, then 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 1. Then this is 0, 0, 1, 1. What is this? 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is your 3. 3. And then 0, 0, 1, 0. 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Simply you can go 4, 5, 6, 7. Now remember here state change is there. Okay, state change is there. So just remain here 1, 1, 0, 0. What is this 1, 1, 0, 0? 1, 1, 0, 0. This is your 12. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is your 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8 format. This 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. Plus these are the 0 and this is 0. 8 4 plus 4, 12. Okay, so this is 12 number. 13, 12, 13. Then your state change is there. Okay, 12, 13. This is your 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Then this is your 1, 0, 0, 0. What is this? 8, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. What is this? 8 plus 1, 9. 9. This is 3. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. And then this is your 1, 0, 1, 0. 8, 9, 10, 11. Like this fashion you have to understand. I am repeating this. Okay. So this is 4 variable K-maps. So 0, 0, 2 variables I have written in this side and 2 variables in this side. 4 variables. How many cells are there? 2 raised to 4. That is 16 cells are required. Okay. I have written in terms of decimal numbers. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. Now these cells have been represented in terms of decimal numbers of this variable fashion. A, B, C, D is there. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Here state change is there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is what your 4 variable K-map. Now in terms of any expression has been given or Boolean expression or you can say truth table has been given and you have to minimize that. So you have to keep either 0 or 1. So in terms of min terms, you have to keep 1 on appropriate cell. Remember here multiplication is there. In terms of min term, multiplication is there. In terms of max term, there will be an addition. Now I will explain you about the 5 variable K-map. 5 variable K-map representation. Okay, we are not minimizing it, we are just representing it now. Okay, so we have a function f which is nothing but a b c d e. This is the function who has five variables. So this is five variable k-map. So how many cells are there for five variable k-map? 2 raised to 5 cells, that is equals to 32 combinations or 32 states or 32 combinations. As in case of four variables, we have seen there are 16 combinations are there or 16 cells are there. So 5 variable came as 32 combinations will be there. So we have 5 variables such as A, B, C, D and E. These are the 5 variables, and the variables starting from 0, 0, 0, all 0. Okay, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is my decimal number 1 representation of 5 variable in terms of 5 variables. The list is goes directly. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is my, you can say 15, total 15 combinations. This is 16 combination. Okay, sorry, not 15, this is 16 combination from decimal number 0, 1 up to 15. Okay, so these are the 16 combination. Next combination will be the last digit of this will be 1, 1. Okay, and it will goes to all ones. Fine. So next combination will be my decimal number. This is my 16. Okay, and these two all combinations will be again a 16 combination. So total 32 combination will be there, or which can be represented in 32 cells of the K-map. Okay, so you can see here my A variables is changing uh, 16 times. Okay, in first 16 combinations it will be 0, and the next 16 combination it will be 1. So 5 variable k map can be represented in terms of 4 variable k maps, in terms of two 4 variable k maps overlapped on each other. So parallelly you can see that in terms of cube. So this is my first 4 variable k map. Okay, this is my first 4 variable k map, and this is my second variable k map. Yes, it's coming. And then this is my second 4 variable k map. Okay, and you can see, you can visualize these are the overlapped k-map. Okay, these are the overlap of one another. Okay, so on the first variable I will write a is equals to 0. This is for a is equals to 0, and this is equals to a is equals to 1. Okay, so this is a is equals to 0 and this is a is equals to 1, and I am representing my rest of the variables. Now this is my b, c and d, e. All the things are same, b, c and d, e. Got this? So we have to represent 4 variable k-maps. For these 4 variables, two 4 variables k-maps will be there, and then a is equals to 0, a is equals to 1. The rest thing, when you look at this, the rest thing will be the same. It will be the same. What we have to do is, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is a is equals to 0, b, c is equals to 0, d, e is equals to 0. So this represents your cell number 1. This represents your cell number 1. Next, a is equals to 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1. This will not be cell number 1. This will be your cell number 0. Okay, for this main term. Okay. Now a is equals to 0, b, c is equals to 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and then 0, 1. So this represents my cell number 1. Okay. Next, this is your 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. These are your first. A is equals to 0. See, A is equals to 0 for all A combination. For the next combination, you have A is equals to 1 and then again you have a 16 combination. So 1, 0, 0. So A is equals to 1, 1, then 4 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, what is this value? This is value of your 16. Yeah, till this time we have 15, then 16, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then this is your 23. Sorry, 23 is the one. 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So you have all the decimal digits from 0 to 31, that is 32. Okay, so total 32 cells are there, and based upon the SOP function or truth table or POS function, you can uh, keep the values of 1 or 0. You have to keep, or you have to write 1 for SOP function where the output gives you a 1. When in the SOP POS function the output gives you 0, you have to consider that in terms of POS form. So SOP form summation m, and then function of a, b, c, d, and then e. Some values will be there. So for example 0, 1, 3, then 18, 29, example such as. Okay, so for summation m, 0, 1, where is 0? 0 here. So as this summation m, so sum of product form. So 1 you have to write for this 0th cell, then first cell you have to write 1, then third cell you have to write 1, then 18th number of cell, 18th number of cell is here, you have to write 1, then 29th number of cells you have to write 1. Okay, and then you have to solve it using K-map equation, K-map laws. Okay, so how to solve that we will see. So this is one of the example. Another example I will explain you, that is function of a comma b, function of a comma b comma c comma d comma e will be equals to pi, will be I will write it here on the top. Okay, so function a comma b comma c comma d comma e, this is 5 variable function a b c d e, is equals to pi, then capital M, and then the value will be equal to 6, 7, 9, and then 31. Any value I am writing. Okay, so in that case what now, this is pi m, so product of sum form. So instead of 0 in min term, we will write, we will write 1, we will write 0 in this POS form. So on the cell 6 number cell is 0, then 7 is 0, and then 9 you have to write 0. Where is 9? Yes, 9. And then 31, on 31 we have to write 0, and then using boolean, using K-map rules, we have to minimize the equation. We have to minimize the equation by the groupings, and all the rules are there. Okay, now I will explain you about the representation of truth table on K-map. So any truth table has been given here. 3 variable truth table has been given. A, B, C are the variables, and Y is your output. Now we have to represent this truth table onto K-map. So in terms of, if you want to represent in terms of SOP form, so 3 variables are there. So 3 variable K-map is required. Okay, in any form, in horizontal or vertical, anyway you can go. So this is my variables a, b, and then c. So 0, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 1 1 1 0 and then 0 1. See here 0 0 0. So this is my 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 2 0 1 1 3 1 1 0. See 1 1 0, that is 4 plus 2 6 1 1 1 1 1 1, that is 7 1 0 0 4 1 0 1, that is 5. Okay, 0 1 2 3 6 7 4 5. Okay, now we have to represent whatever the output when in terms of SOP, whenever the output is 1. So this is my 1, so I will write it here 1. Okay, this is just representation. Then this for second cell it is 1, then for third cell, fourth cell it is 1, and then for seventh cell it is 1. Okay, so this is just the representation of truth table on K-map. So I have represented it. Now I wanted to know what are the terms are there. What are the terms are there? So I will write this is my function of a comma b comma c is equals to let us say summation m. Summation m, we can see here. This is my 1, then 2, then 5, sorry 1 2 4 and then 7. Here I have written 1 2 4 and 7. 1 2 4 and 7. So for 1, a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c plus 2 a bar b c, a bar b c bar. Okay, 1 2, then 4, this is your 4, a b bar c bar, a b bar c bar plus 7 a b c, a b c. This is what the in terms of SOP form the equation I have written. Got this? Now this is just the representation of truth table on K-map. So this I have represented it in terms of K-map, and I have shown you what is the equation, that is Boolean expression. Okay, we are not going for minimization right now. We will minimize this when we are going for minimization. In terms of now the same example, if I wanted to write this function f a comma b comma c in terms of max term, so pi m, sorry, max term, so pi m. So there we have to consider the output which value gives at the output which is 0. So 0 at 0th position, 0, then this is 3, this is 5, 6, 0, 3, 5, 6, 0, 3, 5 and then 6. For these 4 values, you can see this is a dual of each other. So min term, in terms of min terms 1, 2, 4, 7 are there, and those who are not there in min terms, they are present in the max terms in terms of this truth table. Okay, and how this is represented? See this 0. 0, how it is represented? 0 0 0. Okay, so a plus b plus c. Remember here plus is there because pi m is there. That is in terms of your POS form, product of sum. So this is your sum and then product of all this term, all this sum term. So next term is your 3. Next term is your 3. 0, 1, 1. So a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay. Then next is your product of another term, another sum term, that is 5. 1 0 1. 1 is represented as a bar 1 0 1, a bar plus b plus c bar. So next term, okay, so next term is your 6, that is 110. 110 can be written as your a bar plus b bar, a bar plus b bar plus c. Got this? So I have written this in terms of your variable forms, that is SOP form and POS form. So now we will see the representation of equation in SOP or POS form on KMath. On KMath. So we have a KMath. I will write. Okay. Now this example has been given. Y is equals to a bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c. This equation has been given and we have to represent in terms of on KMath. So by looking at this equation, you can see that the equation is in terms of SOP, that is sum of product form. Okay, so that means we have to represent in terms of mean terms, and we have to consider the value is equals the output of this function or output of this mean term is equals to 1. Okay, so output of this equation 1, and we have to represent 1 in terms of cell of the KMath. So this is 4 variable KMath. So I will write here 4 variable KMath. So this is my A, this is my BC. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So this is my B bar, C bar. This is my B bar, C. This is B, C, and this is B, C bar. This is A bar, and then this is my A. So the first term is A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C. So this is my A bar. Okay. Then B bar, I want this B bar and C. So I will put 1 over here. Understand this? So you have to keep 1 for all these terms. So next term is A bar. This is my A bar. Then BC bar. So where is BC bar? Here. So this is my BC bar. Then A. This is my A and BC bar. B bar, C bar. So here again I am putting 1. And then A, B, C. That is A, B, C. So 1. So this is what the representation of any equation on KMath. Okay. So the next example is y is equals to a plus b plus c dot a plus b bar plus c bar dot a bar plus b plus c bar dot a bar plus b bar plus c, and this we have to represent onto KMath. Okay, remember here the dot product is there and then some terms are there. That means this in terms of your product of sum form. This in terms of product of sum form, or all these are the max terms. These are the max term. This is max term 1, max term 2, max term 3, and max term 4. So for 4 max terms has been given. So what are those 4 max terms? And then we have to represent it on terms of KMath. So I will again draw a KMath of, as you can see, 3 variables are there. So 3 variable KMath. So it requires 8 cells. This is your A and then BC. A this side, BC is in this side. Now see here for A, and this is my A bar and this is my A. Here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here 0 and 1. Now here your BC is there, so 0 0 is there. So now I have drawn this KMath. This everyone knows about this KMath, 3 variable KMath. I have written it. Okay. Now in terms of max term, this 1 is my A bar. 1 is represented as A bar and 0 is represented as normal variable. So this is my B plus C. Okay, B plus C, as this is max term. So B plus T. So 0 0 is represented as B plus C bar. B plus C bar. This is my B bar plus C bar. This is B bar plus C. Okay. Now A plus B plus C. This is my A. This is B plus C. So I am writing 0 in this cell because this is in max term form. Writing 0 in this cell. Max term means 0. Min terms means 1. When we are solving minimization problem, we have to remember this. Max term 0, min terms 1. Because we are now after minimization, we are grouping this variable, grouping this ones or zeros. Okay. So remember, for max term we are representing it as 0. So a plus b plus c. This first term is over. Then a plus b bar plus c bar. This is my a plus b bar plus c bar. So this is 0. Next term is this a bar plus b. This is my a bar. Now plus b plus c bar. B plus c bar. So this is my 0 term. Next one is a bar plus b bar plus c. A bar plus b bar plus c. So 0 is been written. Okay. So earlier examples, what we have taken is, we have taken all mean terms. In this example, we have taken all max terms. And this is how the representation of equation, Boolean expression or equation in SOP or QoS form onto the K map. This we have saw. Okay.